Do you have an exterior painting project that needs to be done? The following video will show you the basic steps on how to prepare an exterior surface to be repainted. The tools you might need for this project include paint scraper, random orbit sander, 40 grit sanding disc, detail sander, wood filler, putty knife, paintbrush, exterior primer, and exterior paint. Start your project by using a scraper to loosen and remove the old paint from the exterior surfaces. This will provide a more stable surface for the new primer and paint to adhere to. Once you have removed as much loose paint as possible, begin sanding with a random orbit disc sander. Use an extra coarse grit to continue to smooth any remaining old paint. It is not necessary to remove all of the old paint. Your goal is to remove as much paint as possible and to leave the surface as smooth as possible prior to painting. Sanding will reveal the beauty of the surface below, but it will also reveal surface imperfections. Over time, surfaces will develop holes, cracks, and deep scratches that should be repaired before repainting. Use a putty knife and a general-purpose wood filler to repair all surface defects. Allow to dry thoroughly before sanding. For tight corners, where your random orbit sander cannot reach, use a detail or multi-tool sander. Now that you are done sanding, be sure to remove all sanding dust and particles with a brush or wet dry vacuum. To avoid a poor finish, it is very important to remove all dust and debris from your surface prior to applying your primer or paint. Here's where all the hard work pays off. Now you're ready to apply your primer and or paint. Select an appropriate outdoor finish based upon the material being covered and your environmental conditions. Using a good quality brush will make it easier to apply your finish. Apply your finish using long, even brush strokes, overlapping previous strokes to avoid lap marks. Continue until all surfaces are repainted. Congratulations! You're well on your way to giving your exterior a new look that will last for years to come.